Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today again we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video to address guys how can we set face lock in Infinix phone device. Friends, we want to set guys your phone face lock in your Infinix phone device. So how can we set guys phone face lock? Today friends I will show you, I will tell you guys. So friends, open your phone setting to set your face lock. After on phone setting guys, tap on guys your phone security, then guys click on guys your face unlock setting. So then first of all you will have to set guys your phone lock screen pattern, password and pin guys you don't have. So guys you will have to select. So guys we will go with guys this password, and guys I will take guys this password. So I will take this normal guys a example for guys. I am choosing this password and I will confirm done option. Friends, you can see it will face guys, tap here. So friends, you can see we will have to show face. So I show your face guys. Friends, after show face guys, automatic guys your face lock will set, and guys you can use guys your face lock setting in your Infinix phone device guys. You can see guys we have this face lock. So guys you can use your face lock, and guys you can enter guys your password to unlock your phone. So like that guys we can use it. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Bye.